Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add WTAutomixer into vMIX software. So first I'm going to add a couple of more audio inputs. On this setup I have my lavalier mic, and then I have on the table next to me two lav mics. As soon as I add these additional microphones, you can start hearing the COM filtering caused by 3 open microphones. So if I then open the audio mixer, you can see the lav mic which I'm using, and then the 2 microphones on the table. And next I'm going to assign WTAutomixer to each channel. So I go to plugins, then I use the plus sign and search for WTAutomixer and press OK. And then I repeat this to all the audio channels. So number 2, plus sign, and then again WTAutomixer, and this will open up the Automixer to the same editor window, so you'll be able to adjust the Automixer with just a single editor window. And as soon as I do this, it cleans up the mix quite a bit, because now the channels 2 and 3, which are pretty close to me, they are turned down, and only the lavalier microphone goes to the mix. So that is how the WTAutomixer works in vMIX. Thanks for watching.